Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1964 Chevrolet C10 Fleetside. And as you can see in the video and the photos, it's been fully restored, and they had a nice wood bed in the back and a nice paint job done to it. And this one has a built 350 Chevy engine with aluminum heads and a 700 R4 transmission, plus a 12-bolt rear end with 308 gears. And it sold at my local classic car auction for $34,500 back in November of 22. And this guy is part of the first generation of the CK series pickup trucks by GM, which were made from 1960 through 1966, with the C models being two-wheel drive and the K models being four-wheel drives. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1964 Chevy C10 Fleetside with a built 350 cubic inch V8 Chevy engine, a 700 R4 transmission, and a 12-bolt GM rear end with 308 gears. And it sold for $34,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.